The hashtag Nasaan ang Pangulo trended on Twitter again. After dominating the trending topic at the height of Super Typhoon Goli, critics of President Duterte were in chorus online because of Typhoon Ulysses. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque was quick to react, stressing Duterte had been monitoring the situation while attending the online summit of ASEAN. In a public address, President Duterte told this to the Filipino people.
As President, I guarantee you that your government will do its best to provide assistance in the form of shelters, relief goods, financial aid, and post-disaster counseling. Rest assured, the government will not leave anybody behind. We will get through this crisis.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.